Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. How are you all? Can you all able to see me? Can you hear me? So, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about structure of atom, NEET most expected questions, part 2. In the series of 1000 most expected questions for the NEET preparation. In this 45 days, we are discussing about the topic wise NEET subjective objective type questions. Altamash, how are you? Good afternoon. Hello. Wonderful to see you. Yesterday you are not there in the class. You please watch the recording. Right? Okay. So, what is the promise of the day? So, in this NEET preparation journey, just only one thing, crack your NEET. Crack your NEET. So far you prepared well, and you have to use the concept that you already learned in solving multiple choice questions in the NEET examination. Hannah? Yes. Hi Monica, waiting for you. Good afternoon. For that, you just take a oath, attend the class, take a pen and paper every day without fail, attend the class and solve the questions along with me. And Siddharth, hello. And please like our sessions and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel. Wonderful. And also in the Google Play Store, you are going to see Infinity Learn app. You all download it. You can have the live classes, mock test and create your own test and 24/7 doubt resolutions. You will try your level best. You have to try your level best. You know? So, in this journey of NEET examination, so far we have seen NCERT line by line discussion with every topic from the chemistry. Concept is already suppressed. In next 45 days, we are discussing about the topic wise multiple choice questions, sometimes cumulated multiple choice questions as well. So that you will be having a good hold on the question that you are going to see in the NEET 2025 paper. Hi, hit the like button. Lovely, understood. Okay, and in this live session, you please interact with me to ask any kind of questions, so that we will be having an interactive session and every doubt is going to be addressed. You are all with me? Right. So, without delay, I just want to start the class and take a pen and paper and solve along with me. So mind it, this is a NEET session where फालतू नहीं चलता. हर क्वेश्चन का आपका डाउट भी देना चाहता हूँ एंड सब्जेक्ट भी देना चाहता हूँ एंड कॉन्सेप्ट भी एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ. हाय Tintin, right? So the triad of nuclei, that is isotonic with. So it is in the very initial stage of fundamental particles, atomic mass, atomic number, isotope, isotone, isobar. Usually these terminologies are important, but students at this level, you may ignore it or may just go for the confusion. Hemant, waiting for you. Good afternoon. And here, what is isotones? Isotones are said to be the things which the species with the same number of neutrons. So that number of neutrons you can calculate from mass number, atomic number. So this is your mass number, this is atomic number, mass number, atomic number. So हर चीज का ये subtraction एक ही होना चाहिए. Akash Kunwar. So what could be the answer for this question? I assorted the questions in such a way that these questions should come, definitely should come for the NEET examination. The model of the questions that I am discussing, you may expect for the NEET examination. Okay? ये गलत बात है, क्वेश्चन नीट में आ जाएगा, ये गलत बात पे है. I don't say that. Like these questions may come, right? So what is your answer? Hemant, Tintin, come on. I am watching the chart records and there are 128 students are there in live, 141 students are there live. Everybody can give. You want to say, hey, Altamash, okay. So, Altamash, I want you to be regular in the class. Okay. Monica is in regular, okay. And Hamand is in regular, okay. Right. So you try level best, your answer is going to be A. Why should I deny your answer? Absolutely correct. अब देखना है. So for isotonic species they should have the equal number of neutron. मैं बता चुका. And इसका कार्बन का, नाइट्रोजन का, फ्लोरीन का 14 minus 6, 15 minus 7 and 17 minus 9 सबका 8 number of neutrons are found. So this is a set of isotones, right? Wonderful. Now थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ने दो. The radius of hydrogen atom in the ground state is 0.53 angstrom units का है. The radius of lithium 2 place in the similar state mean to say ground state में n is equal to 1 होगा, similar state में ये भी n is equal to 1 होगा, है ना? Yesterday कैसे किया आपका प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन? अच्छा गए थे? वेरी गुड, राइट. सो इसका आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Radius is equal to radius of the hydrogen into n square by z angstrom units. Radius of hydrogen आपको कितना बोला? 0.53 बोला. So आप कर सकते हैं. You want to say C? I instructed all students to solve along with me so that ताकि आपको पता चलेगा आप कहाँ गलत कर रहे हैं, है ना? हाँ. सो आप बोलना चाहता हूँ है मौनिका, हेमंत, वंडरफुल, एंड सुरेश कुमार आए नहीं आज. उत्तम टैनोस पंच पकड़ के आएगा. ओके, एनीवेज योर आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी हियर. यस, इट इज सी. कैसे? You can see radius is equal to a naught n square by z. It is said that 0.35 upon z is equal to 3. ये दे चुका. So it is going to 0.53 by 3 is equal to 0.17. आपका आंसर 0.17. It is going to be the correct answer. Perfect. Question explanation and the concept behind the question is explained and it is solved. एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो सॉल्विंग अलॉन्ग विथ. ये करने के लिए आप कोई कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट की जाना नहीं है, सिर्फ हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल में हर दिन क्लासेस अटेंड करना काफी है. वंडरफुल. और एक क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एमिशन लाइंस व्हेन एक्साइटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द हाइड्रोजन एटम n इज इक्वल 6 से ग्राउंड स्टेट आ रहा है, n इज इक्वल ग्राउंड स्टेट इज इक्वल टू 1. आंसर क्या होगा? मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस कितना आ सकते हैं? यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस. बोलो, मैक्सिमम स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस. इज इक्वल टू, यू वांट टू से आंसर जल्दी बताओ. सो n2 minus n1 n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. So 6 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. कितना आ सकता है? 5 into 6 by 2 is equal to 15. मेरा आंसर यहाँ पर 15 आ जाएगा. So that is the answer. Understand? How हेमंत आपका 10 कैसे मिला? देखो 5 into 6 30 में आधा कितना? 15. हेमंत आपका गलती कहाँ हो गया? शेयर विथ मी. So as a teacher I can identify your mistakes and I can rectify your mistakes as well. That's why. Right? So let's see the one more question. Now for hydrogen atom, energy of the electron is given as minus 1 by n square RH, where R is called Rydberg constant, joules में 2.179 into 10 power minus 18. यहाँ आप ये इस्तेमाल किया ना. ओके, सो Find the wavelength of the transition from the ground state to n is equal to state. Let it be. So, we will solve this question in one way. So, Hemant, yeah. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? So better you use the formula that is given by me, that works a lot. Altmesh, you got 3215. So how to calculate the wavelength in a hydrogen spectrum? So that can be calculated by using 1 by lambda Rydberg constant for the hydrogen and z square of 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So it is said that ground state iska n1 is equal to 1 and higher state n2 is equal to 2. So let it be, if an electron is jumping from n2 to n1, it release energy, n1 to n2, it absorb energy. The energy released or absorbed magnitude is going to be the same. So I get the 5, I substituted in the formula. So गलत बात है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा, ये मैं जो फार्मूला दिया ना वो इस्तेमाल करो. हेमंत, फाइन, corrected, rectified. Yesterday you have given wonderful answers for most of the questions. Maybe 2 or more questions you gone in a different way. I corrected it in today's class also. You don't have to worry. So whenever you are doing mistake, you just correct yourself. So all students, this kind of information and help I can do even in the YouTube channel. Feel like it is a customized one-to-one session. So all students can discuss with me about the subject. Okay, so I can directly discuss with you, right? So one student is doing a wrong in one way, so I am asking the student is sharing with me and I am giving the remedy for that. So this kind of services are available in a tutorial or a coaching institutes. Okay, for that you need to have to pay a huge amount of money. So in the YouTube channel, बच्चों लोग के लिए हम भला करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. You just, it's full free of cost. You all attend the class and encourage us so that we can do it. Okay, anyways, let us put here R. ये हाइड्रोजन बोला ना, so that hydrogen का Z is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. N is equal to 2. N2 is equal to 2. So that 1 by lambda आपका आएगा R 1 minus 1 by 4. So it is going to be lambda 1 by lambda is equal to 3R by 4. So lambda is equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by R. So yesterday I told you 1 by R is equal to 912 angstrom units. Shayad Hemant only given this prompt. I told 916 and he said 912. मेरे को याद है. So that you are going to see 4 by 3 into 912. आपका मिलेगा 12 something 1216 or 1215 angstrom units. So my answer for this question is going to be option C. Got it? Option C. Clear beta? Anything to add here? Now, next question. The velocity of the electron is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Velocity of the light beta, not electron. Velocity of electron 10 power 6 order में होगा. Okay, which value is closest to the wavelength nanometers of quantum light with a frequency 8 into 10 power 15. So what is the actual concept behind that? Quantum nature of light. Quantum nature of light. Now for that I would say 3.7 into 10, okay, 37 will come. You can see here C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. C is equal to nu lambda. So lambda is equal to C by nu. So lambda mila 3 by 8 into 10 power minus 7. Okay. Yes, it is 912 angstrom units. पिछला क्वेश्चन का है हेमंत. So lambda is equal to 0.37 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 9. It comes in the meters. Okay. So if it is said that nanometers से meters convert करना है, okay, so it is coming to be 37 is the answer. Got it? Clear? So my answer is 3.7 into 10. Next, the energy of the electron in third orbit. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. Energy of the electron in the first orbit is equal to 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into z square by n square. है ना? So you have to convert into kilojoule per mole. Give the answer kilojoule per mole. 1312 into minus 1312 into n z square by n square kilojoule per mole. Directly you can use this. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी 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 जल्दी. You solve it. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Now the answer comes to be minus 145 into 10 power minus 145.7 kilojoule per mole. इसका आंसर आएगा. So energy is equal to minus 1312 into z square by n square. Third orbit का बोला हाइड्रोजन, इसका हाइड्रोजन z is equal to 1. Third orbit का बोला, so it is going to be 3 square. On solving it is going to be minus 144. It is going to be C. बच्चों, find your formulas. We discussed these formulas and the concepts once. And अगले क्लास का थर्मोडायनेमिक्स शुरू करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूं मैं. तैयार है? थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का हर टॉपिक, हर फॉर्मूला एक बार रिवाइज करके थोड़ा सा आपका क्वेश्चन शुरू करने का तैयार. फॉर दैट आल्सो यू स्टे विथ मी. For the next class, I am going to discuss thermodynamics. Stay with us. So I am instructing and announcing in the class. आगे class में हम क्या करना है? If you have any specific topic, if you have any specific concern, any specific subtopic, you want me to explain, that also I am ready. Please inform us. Right? So at the end, I want to see you. Your NEET examination should be awesome. You should get a very good premium medical college. That is my wish. God bless you all. है ना मौनिका? Right. इसका आंसर मिल गया. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volts. The ionization energy of lithium 2 plus का क्या होगा? Questions you see, it is utmost important for your NEET examination. Are you writing and solving the questions along with me? Come on. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? Time is important. Time is important. Is a NEET examination is a time game, right? So as you are a practicing students, I don't feel that you taken a lot of time, you taken a less time. So टाइम आगे आप मैनेज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन टाइम भी ख्याल में रखना. नेक्स्ट, you can see my answer comes to be here 122.4 electron volts. कैसे मिला? Now you can see ionization energy of lithium 2 plus is equal to ionization energy of hydrogen atom into Z square. So lithium का Z कितना है? हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम. So lithium का Z is equal to 3. So that you just simply write 13.6 into 3 square, it comes to be 122.4. Ionization energy value Altamesh always a positive होगा. Molecular weight of ATP. Why? Adenosine triphosphate. It is 122.4 electron volts. Next, so don't blame the distraction, improve your focus. That is the mantra for the day. I want to say, you are preparing for NEET examination, you may be having your own concerns. Hey, kya karna, kaise karna, I am doing this, I am not able to do this and all. But this slide can give you an insight. So, आप आगे कैसे आगे बढ़ना है. Don't blame the distractions. Distractions आप भी invite कर रहे हैं. Okay, just avoid the distraction. Improve your focus. This is the mantra for any competitive examination. Agree with me? You all agree with me? Just a message for the day. Hemant, Monica, Altamesh. Yes, poor network connections, so I can't answer fastly. No problem beta, no problem. हम जो भी दे रहा हो ना ये YouTube प्लेटफॉर्म में ये स्टूडियो सो आपको मिल रहे हैं ना ये काफ़ी है. Okay, now whenever you are preparing for your NEET examination, just a promotion, like you need to have a proper assessment. For that assessment, NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack is given, designed by Infinity Land, where you can see 27 AATS, 20 online test, 25 NEET PCB, topic wise PYQs, and 3 PCB books with video solutions on the app, and many more. Your test result is going to be scientifically analyzed and it is presented to you. And these many facilities only in India, Infinity Lane is given. So it was on 5,999, but on a special discount you are going to get 2,999. It's a limited period offer. When you apply YouTube 50 off, ये कूपन कोड अप्लाई करना पड़ता है ताकि इसका डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. ऑल द बेस्ट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. राइट नाउ one more question, the ratio of the difference in the energy between the first and second Bohr orbit, that between second and third Bohr orbit is. It's a super question. So in the NEET examination अगर आपका toughest and difficult level question आने तो ऐसा question आता है. Yeah, test will improve you a lot, Altamesh. You already taken or what? You already taken or what? Yeah, इसका आंसर क्या होगा जल्दी बताओ. आप करके बताओ. Take a minute so that I will also give correct inputs for this question. Maunika, Hemant, Altamash. So Altamash, whenever he comes to the class now, always smashes with the answers. Okay. So how you are improving your NEET preparation with Infinity Lane, Altamash? So और आपको कुछ भला करने का कोशिश करता हूँ, आपका कुछ चाहिए तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Okay. Maunika, you want to say C, 27/5, wonderful. It is going to be ये आप ऐसे. Let me check it. Here 27/8 it is correct. And here मेरा ऑपरेटर आंसर गलती दिया. इसका आंसर C होगा. देखो E1 minus E2, इसका रेशियो E2 minus E3. So E1 minus E2 का 1/1 square minus 1/2 square. 13.6 into 2 square, 13.6 into 2 square काटना है, because that is for okay. So मान लो it is helium का है, ये मिस हो गया. So it is going to be 2 minus 3, 1/2 square minus 1/3 square, that is 5/36. 3/4, 5/36 का रेशियो आपका आएगा 27/5. Maunika is given extraordinary given answer. Now you got it, Hemant? Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Any doubts, Hemant? You see here it is a difference in energy between the first E1 and the second E2, and between the second E2 and the third E3. बस इसका डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या, डिफरेंस ले लो एंड रेशियो निकाल. अंडरस्टैंड? परफेक्ट. सो आगे बढ़ते हैं और एक क्वेश्चन के लिए. द एनर्जी ऑफ सेकेंड बोर ऑर्बिट इन द हाइड्रोजन एटम इज -3.4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. द एनर्जी ऑफ द फोर्थ ऑर्बिट ऑफ हीलियम आयन वुड बी, ओके, energy is equal to -13.6 into z square by n square electron volts. बस यहां से जाना मोनिका, यहां से जाना, आगे बढ़ो जल्दी. आप करेंगे, मैं कह रहा हूं क्या बच्चों लोग? So I am moving here and there to visualize the question better for the students. Okay. So there are 400 students are there in the class. Now I want you to give the answer. कभी ना कभी Altamash, Hemant, Monica. Now इसका आएगा. Answer is going to be 3.4. कैसे? Now we are going to get energy of helium plus is equal to minus RH Z square by n square. So it is given as -13.6 ये दे चुका, okay, and we know this is 13.6 into Z square by n square. So 2 square by 4 square. So on doing so it is coming to be -3.4 electron volt only. So my answer is going to be A. ठीक है? Okay, Hemant, you are little what you say oscillating, so you just be on time. Timing is important and precision is important. All gets cancelled. Exactly. Ashik Ashu, hello Ashik. Now next question. Now the energy of electron in the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is 13.6. The possible energy values for the second state of the electron in Bohr hydrogen atom are: this is the nucleus, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Okay, so energy of the electron is equal to -13.6 into by n square for hydrogen atom by n square. So यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है ना -13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट होगा by 1 square. Here -13.6 by 2 square -3.4 होगा, इसका -3.4 होगा. Here -13.6 by 3 square is going to be -1.1 होगा. So when you see these values, what positive कभी नहीं होगा. So these values matches with 3.4 होते हैं ना. So my answer is going to be A. Like that you have to calculate it. Altamash, you want to say A? Perfect, wonderful answer. I already mentioned na, whenever you come to the class, you smash the answers and all the best, but at the same time you have to maintain the precision, okay, and Hemant is also doing good. Monica, Ashikashu, can I expect an answer from the next question? Any doubt for this question, please let me know. Yeah, Hemant, yes, it is correct. Appreciated. Now one more question. An electron in a hydrogen atom is moving with a kinetic energy 5.45 into 10 power minus 19 joules. What will be the energy level for this? Wow, kinetic energy is given. You are asked to what is the energy level. So such type of questions now that can be helpful for solving in physics as well. आपको डबल फायदा ये चैप्टर से डबल फायदा है. So take a minute and solve it. जल्दी देना बेटा. This can be answered by taking total energy is equal to kinetic energy now. So total energy is given minus 5.45. So the kinetic energy is a positive quantity and total energy is a negative quantity. So the kinetic energy is going to be minus 5.45 into 10 power minus 19 upon 1.6 in 10 power minus electron volt में convert किया. That is equal to minus 13.6 into 1 square by n square. So you have to, 1 is for hydrogen atom and n you can calculate as n square is calculated as 4 and n is going to be square इस तरफ जानते root square होना root 4 होना, so that n is equal to 2. It is equal to second shell. Azim Sharif, got it? Good. So the same question you can expect in the physics as well, bachcho. Next upcoming question, and we have to discuss about the nodal planes, we have to discuss about the quantum numbers, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, little bit questions from the photoelectric effect as well. Ready for that? Stay tuned and we'll discuss about the energy required to dislodge, mean to say remove, dislodge means remove, हटाने के लिए क्या है? Okay, the electron from excited and isolated hydrogen atom IE1 is given as plus 13.6 electron volts. It should be equal or greater than equal and less than equal or greater than 3.4 in from an excited isolated hydrogen atom. See, the question is not about the numerical here. The question is about understanding the concept. If an electron is here, let it be the electron is at ground state or any other excited state, इसका कुछ एनर्जी होगा, इसका कुछ एनर्जी होगा. आप जितना एनर्जी है अगर आप उतना एनर्जी देंगे तो इसका माइनस है, आपका प्लस देने तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डिसलॉज होने तो रेस्ट में जाएगा. So that electron energy is going to be 0. So how much energy of this electron has, if you give that much amount of energy, so the electron is going to be dislodged, mean to say it is going to be completely out of atom, and it is said to be kinetic energy 0, is completely out of the atom and it is at rest. So minimum it should have electron 0 energy at rest. So it is going to be, you can say, energy for this ionization energy minus 13.6 electron volt. So energy of the electron for that state is going to be minus 13.6 into 1 square by n square. 1 is a hydrogen atom का है. So IE1 is equal to E0 minus E1, that is equal to plus 13.6, and IE2 is going to be from second level. You have to take second level का एनर्जी कितना होगा 3.6 minus 3.6. अगर आप प्लस 3.6 दे सकते हैं तो इलेक्ट्रॉन इज गोइंग टू बी रिमूव्ड, सो माइनस प्लस 3.4 electron volt. So IE3 is going to be plus 1.51. So it should have the less than 3.4. Yeah, it is should have the less than 3.4 is the correct answer. See the exact explanation. You need not have to solve anything. Just you have to consider what is the electron energy, right? So it should be from the ground state 13.6. If it is n is equal to 2 first excited state, minus 3.4, n is equal to 3 minus 1.51. So like that you need to take any value less than 13.4, 3.4 is enough. Okay? Wonderful. Or a question, an electron jumps from 6th energy level to 3rd energy level in hydrogen atom. How many lines belong to the visible region? Azim Sharif. Azim Sharif, your answer D is the for the previous question, accepted for a question ka. Altamash, Maunika, you kept quiet. Hemant, come on, participate in discussion. Participate in discussion. Azim Sharif. Now, if n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6. If an electron jumps here, you are going to get UV region, Lyman series hoga. If electron jumps to n is equal to 2, that is equal to visible region. This is going to be Balmer series hoga. This is going to be Passion, Bracket and Fund and Humphrey. So these are all UV regions. These are all IR regions. These are all IR regions. है ना? So it is coming 6th energy state to 3rd energy state. 6th energy state to 3rd energy state. सिर्फ IR आ सकते. It may be in the direct or indirect. Let it be anything. Let it be anything. Right? So इसका Balmer series में visible कुछ नहीं आएगा. So मेरा answer for this question is 0. Understanding the concept, understanding the question is important. So Maunika, your answer is correct. Altamas correct. And Zaib Sharif, why you got C there? Correct yourself. Asim, correct yourself. Yeah. Next question. Next question. The wave number of a shortest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of hydrogen atom. Shortest wavelength means N2 is going to be infinity. And it is said that it is a Balmer series, N1 is equal to 1. आप कर सकते हैं? मैं कर रहे हो क्या? जल्दी सेंटीमीटर में दे सकते, पहले एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट में कैलकुलेट करो. So some confusion bit. Okay, at least you come out with some confusion, right? Now you come to know what is your confusion. You just eliminate the confusion from your mind. Got it? This is an opportunity then. So what is your confusion? Even if you don't know, what I can do. So if you know the confusion, you can rectify it and you can do the best in your NEET 2025. तैयार है? या इसका आंसर क्या होगा? अल्तमाश, मौनिका, अजिम. You want to say A? Okay, Altamash, right? और ज़्यादा चीज़ चाहिए. So I am waiting for the students pass. Okay, you want to say A? Yes, of course it is A. So how come it is A? You can see shortest wavelength for the Balmer series will be shown by infinity to 2. मैं बता चुका आपको. So 1 by lambda is equal to nu bar r z square 1 by 2 square minus 1 by infinity square. So that on solving 1096770. Okay, and 1 square by 4, so it is coming to be 27417.5 centimeters. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Next question. The photoelectric effect, the number of photoelectrons emission is proportional to, कल डिस्कस किया, photoelectric current, rate of photo emission, is directly proportional to intensity. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to the frequency of incident light. ठीक है? So these are the 2 points you need to know, and that's the reason why when you talk about the intensity and the kinetic energy, it is going to be independent. Ayush Raj, hi. Very good. Clear. Next, the threshold wavelength for the photoelectric effect on sodium is 5000 angstrom units. Its work function is. आप कर सकते हैं जल्दी. आयुष राज. Threshold energy is equal to hc by lambda naught. Lambda naught is given 5000 angstrom units. H C values you have to take. Now आपका मिलेगा W naught H C by lambda naught. So H C value ट्रिक दिया कल मैं कल ये ट्रिक दिया. H C का जगह पे आप मीटर में ये इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. 2 into 10 power minus 45. So on solving you're going to get in joules, 4 into 10 power minus 19 joules. My answer for this question is going to be 1. A. Azim, correct. Perfect. Clear. Now, if the threshold frequency of the metal for the photoelectric effect is nu naught, then which of the following is not happen? Read the options properly. So this is actually a trap you are going to expect for the NEET examination. This is a kind of questions, definitely it is important. और एक 15 मिनट लगेगा बेटा. अजीम कुछ कंसर्न है क्या? फिलहाल हम 25 क्वेश्चंस तक ही किया. ओके, और एक 10 क्वेश्चंस करने दो. ठीक है बेटा. अजीम यू आर एंजॉइंग द क्लास. इसका आंसर क्या होगा जल्दी? यू कैन यूज द प्रीवियस स्लाइड एंड यू कैन गिव द आंसर. Right. Now, if the frequency of the incident light radiation is nu naught, the kinetic energy of the electrons ejected is 0. Yes, we know that E is equal to h nu naught, W naught, you just see here. W naught plus Ke. H nu is equal to h nu naught plus Ke, and Ke is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. Ke is equal to h of nu minus nu naught. So this is very important. If nu is equal to nu naught, Ke is equal to 0. If nu is greater than nu naught, Ke is equal to greater than 0. If nu is less than nu naught, photoelectric effect do not takes place. This is very, very, very important. Very important. Everybody make a note of it. आजिम शरीफ इसका आंसर क्या होगा, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन का हिसाब से. Monica, Aish Raj and Altamash, come on, give the answer. Students, 550 students में देख रहा हूँ. So students आंसर देना. सही आंसर इसका आ गया. If the frequency of the incident radiation is further increased, the number rate कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगा. फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक वोल्टेज ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा एंड फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में कुछ फर्क नहीं आता. फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट नंबर ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के हिसाब से डिपेंड करता है. नंबर ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंटेंसिटी बढ़ जाए तो नंबर ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, is a very informative slide. Everybody take a snap of this. 3, 2, 1. Clicked. Monica, कब गए? Next. So, the wavelength of a cricket ball weighing 100 grams and traveling with a velocity of 50 meters per second is, wow. So, we know that lambda is equal to h by mv. सीधा formula इस्तेमाल करो. Use the formula directly. So the wavelength lambda is equal to h by mv. Yes, Monica, come on, इसका आंसर आ सकते हैं. Lambda is equal to h by mv. H is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 upon mass is equal to 100 grams है ना, किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो. Velocity meters per second में दिया 50. On solving you are going to get 1.32 into 10 power minus 34 meter. समझ में आ गया? Wonderful, clear, got it. Next, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that theory oriented questions, just theory, you only have to tell. It says it is impossible to measure exact position and momentum of a subatomic particles like electrons accurately and simultaneously. It can be greater than the product of uncertainty in momentum and the velocity should be greater than h by 4 pi. Should not be less than. Yeah, Hemant. Okay. Yeah, Monica. Perfect. It is going to be option C. It is impossible. Right? If you want to do so, you are going to get a error. How much? Uncertain. Now, if the mass of 200 gram, if the ball having a 200 gram moving with velocity of 10 meters per second, it's a classical question. Okay, मेरा बचपन से ये क्वेश्चन देख रहा हूँ. Okay, and generations together the question is हर बच्चों का पीछे बढ़ रहा है. So आप कर सकते हैं, मैं करो क्या? जल्दी. First you confirm it. Now ये कर सकते हैं ना, velocity 0.1% का दिया. So that delta V is going to be 0.1% ना. So percent में निकलो, it is going to be 0.01 होगा. So delta X में h by 4 pi m delta V होगा बेटा. So that you just take this delta V over here. The mass of the ball is 200 gram, kilogram को बदला. So you are going to get 2.62 into 10 power minus 32, है ना? So my answer is going to be answer D. You just see, ये tricky है. So we are running like anything. और कुछ क्वेश्चंस करो. Great. Monica, Hemant, Azim, Ayush, Altamash. So I am stammering everybody's name. I am calling you. Right? So एक माराथन सेशन भी प्लानिंग कर रहा हूँ. एक फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का एक है. ओके, एक ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का है. सो दिन भर सारे के सारे टॉपिक्स आपको निकलेगा. So I am just waiting for the board's examinations to give a pass. So let's wait for that, a big day and big session, right? You all with me? Hemant? Yes. Now for each value of L, the number of MS, magnetic quantum numbers. ओके अल्तमाश, कुछ जाना है क्या? और कुछ क्वेश्चन बचे हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. स्टे बैक. I recommend you to stay back. Here you are going to get number of MS values is going to be 2L plus 1. So that indicates the number of orbitals in a sub energy level. Okay, so my answer for this question is going to be 2L plus 1. 2L plus 1, the number of orbitals present in a sub energy level. Now one more, in a subshell n is equal to 6, L is equal to 2 can accommodate a maximum of. So L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, L is equal to 3. So it is S subshell, P subshell, D subshell, F subshell. Right. Now L is equal to 2. So 6d orbital, कितना electrons आ सकते हैं? 10 electrons maximum. Understand बेटा? Clear? Ten electrons. Next, yeah, that is designated like this. That's very good. Next, और एक क्वेश्चन है, which of the following set of quantum numbers is correct? Correct. Read properly. Sometimes it may be asked for correct, sometimes it may be asked for incorrect. You have to identify which sense it is asking. And this type of questions is asked for at least a dozen times in various competitive examination across India. Aditya Tomar, Radhe Radhe. Okay, for 4f orbital के लिए 4f orbital के लिए ना, so it is going to be n is equal to 4, L equal to कितना दिया 3 है ना, and m can be -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Yes could be either +1/2 or -1/2 भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. So you see the combination 4, 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. So ये गलत है, ये गलत है. So m is equal to, it can be +1, this value is available, and +4, this value is not available, galat hai. So my answer is going to be C. See the trick, see the trick, see the trick, है ना? Aditya Tomar. Now my answer is going to be, so this kind of questions, more than a dozen times in the end, many competitive examinations is asked. So it is you just find a chance to answer this, है ना? Next, for a d electron, the orbital angular momentum. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Orbital angular momentum is equal to root over L into L plus 1 dot h by 2 pi. So this is studied in the azimuthal quantum number बच्चों. So for d electron, L is equal to 2. आप आंसर दे पहले जल्दी, पहले आंसर दे. You want to say yeah, perfect. Why should I deny your answer? Maunika, lage raho. Hemant, fine. Altamesh, come on, it is going to be this answer, right? Great. orbital angular momentum root over L into L plus 1 dot h by 2 pi, right? Now, which of the following has a maximum number of unpaired electrons? हर चीज का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखना है, आप लिख के आंसर दें. typical models we are discussing. Okay, your answer is going to be D. Iron 3 plus is going to be argon 3d5 4s0. 3d5 means first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron. ठीक है. Why you given Hemant? Yeah, it is going to be iron. Magnesium 2 plus में कुछ unpaired electron नहीं है. It is going to be magnesium 2 plus neon का बराबर है. 2s2p6 हो गया ना. Now one more, so it is given Fe3 plus का. Okay. Now presence of 3 unpaired electrons in the phosphorus atom can be explained. ना मैग्नीशियम का मैक्सिमम नहीं होगा. मौनिका 5 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन सिर्फ आयरन 3 प्लस में होता है. ठीक है बेटा. हेमंत देखो मैग्नीशियम का, देखो मैग्नीशियम का 0. क्लियर. मैग्नीशियम में 3d ऑर्बिटल कैसे निकलेगा? मैग्नीशियम का थर्ड शेल है ना. ये गलत बात है. मैग्नीशियम रॉन्ग. इट इज ए alkali earth metal. Beryllium, magnesium, second period element, third. Okay. No. Hemant, you correct? Got it? Yes, that is the way you have to correct it, right? Now, a presence of 3 unpaired electrons in the phosphorus atom is given by. Okay, you thought it is Mn. Okay, I can understand. That was magnesium, a trap. Sorry, it's okay. So, mistake in the NEET examination. आज क्लास में mistake कर सकते हैं ना? हाँ, yes, you are allowed. And in the final examination ये question same आएगा तो that cost is, mistakes are so costly. है ना बेटा? अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा होगा. Don't go for hasty things. ठीक है बेटा? Now, phosphorus का electronic configuration, it is going to be neon 3s2 3p3. So 3p3 electronic configuration, first, second, third, Hund's rule. Then only 3 unpaired electrons आ सकते हैं. हाँ? Yes. Now it is going to be Hund's rule. Pairing cannot take place unless the degenerate orbitals are filled with at least one electron with a parallel spin. That is called Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Right? This is the rule. Next, how many spherical nodes are present in 4s orbital in hydrogen atom? You have 2 nodes. Spherical node and angular node. This is also called as nodal plane is equal to L. Spherical node sphere में होना है, इसका radius होता है. This is also called radial node. इसका अलग नाम है radial node is equal to n minus L minus 1. N minus L minus 1. Hemant? Exactly, Maunika. Now, 4s orbitals. that is going to be 4 minus 0 minus 1 is equal to 3. So my answer is going to be 3. Total number of nodes. Number of spherical nodes and angular nodes. है ना? So these are the formulas you need to know. These are the formulas you need to know. समझे? Very good. Now we had a great swell of various questions. Still some more questions can be discussed. But time is also constrained. That's the reason why I strongly recommend you take these notes in the PDF form. In the Telegram channel is going to be available. I recommend my dear students, please be available in the class for every day. I am discussing a very good number of questions for your NEET examination and improve your NEET score. Please like our session, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Total node is n-1. Exactly. Okay, anyways, signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Bye-bye.